Good morning. I have another tote to go through today. Let's get right to it. So we've got 3 of the big mason jars, and these are filled with rocks. 1, and they do have a nice twine detail at the top. 2 and 3. All right, let's pop this open and see what we've got. The letter N with flowers on it. I only know it's an N from the back. Could also use it as an H. Oh, look at these. Glittery bird cages. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 7, 8. Gotta love the glitter. Gold candle holder, pillar holder, and the pillar candle to go with it. This has got a lot of miscellaneous. All right, we got a cylinder vase with a gold heart. Bud vase. Little votive cup with a tea light. Another one of those. What's this? Oh, happy birthday. Tabletop piece. A bag of blue and burgundy flowers with some gold accents in there. And then just a few more loose flowers that I'll probably stick back into that bag. That's it for that tote.